Need to switch networks but keep your number? Here's how to get your PAC code from Giffgaff. A PAC code allows you to transfer your existing phone number to a new mobile provider. Giffgaff provides this code free of charge, and it's valid for 30 days. The easiest way to get your PAC code is through the Giffgaff website or mobile app. To do this, log into your Giffgaff account. Navigate to the Account or My Account section, then select Manage My Number or Port My Number. Click Get My PAC code. You'll likely need to confirm your identity via two-factor authentication, 2FA, such as an SMS code. Once confirmed, your PAC code will be displayed instantly on the screen. It's also emailed to you as a backup. Make sure to save or screenshot the code. This entire process should take under 2 minutes. What if you encounter issues obtaining your PAC code? First, ensure your Giffgaff account is active and in good standing with no outstanding payments. If problems persist, the Giffgaff Help community is a valuable resource. This user forum allows you to search for existing threads related to PAC code issues or post your own question. Experienced users and moderators often provide quick solutions. For example, they might suggest checking for account verification flags. Recent security enhancements, like mandatory 2FA, can sometimes cause temporary delays. Remember, PAC codes expire after 30 days, so if you don't use it within that time frame, you'll need to request a new one. Porting your number to a new provider typically takes 1 to 2 working days.